What just happened?
To ensure your safety, please remain seated.
I guess that needs to be closed.
Arms, feet, and legs inside while your teacup.
No, you spin it. You spin it first. Remember, we did this every time. You do the first part, I'll do the second.
Spin your teacup.
So like, give me 30 seconds of good spinning.
Right or to the left. Once you turn it,
Oh, this is pretty.
Well, it's off to the tea pot. Well, hello
I can see the
there.
Matterhorn.
Welcome to our birthday party. For your safety, please be sure to stay seated with your hands on.
Y por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos. Gracias.
Please don't pull it off the wheel. Because then you know what that happens? We go careening out. And we'll go be part of the Matterhorn over there.
Not mad. Maybe we'll find your hat.
Hey, do you think it's the Matterhorn?
All right, enjoy your cup of tea.
All right.
I cannot. I'm not very good at it.
You're good at it. You're doing good. Tell me when you're ready for a break. I'm ready for this. Okay, now I got you. Yeah, I'll just drive it like we're out on a Sunday drive. This is a workout. I think this one's like stiffer than the
It's
other one.
way stiffer. Do you want me to do it? I can't even turn it.
I know.
It looks like our tea party is coming to an end. Please remain seated until your teacup stops, and then follow the signs to the nearest exit. Ta-ta! Please visit us again.
Once again, just remain seated until all teacups have stopped.